Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to send one-time viewed media on WhatsApp web on your PC with the new update. It's a quick and easy process, so let's get started. First, open your WhatsApp web account on your PC by scanning the QR code with your phone. Next, find the conversation you want to send the video to. You can search for the contact or scroll through your chats to locate the conversation. Once you've found the conversation, open it by clicking on the chat window. Now look for the record icon in the text input field. It looks like a small microphone icon. Click on it to start recording your video message. While recording, you'll see an icon with the number 1 on it. This indicates that the video will only be viewed once by the recipient. After you've finished recording your message, click on the send icon to share it with the recipient. They will be able to view the video only once before it disappears. And that's it. You've successfully a one-time viewed media on WhatsApp web on your PC. It's a great way to share personal messages or videos that you only want the recipient to see once. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials and tech tips. See you next time.